Hello viewers, today in this video I will unbox Realme GT Neo 3T. The specifications are mentioned at the back of the box of this device. This is the seal from Flipkart. Let's unbox the device and see what else is there inside the box. This device comes with, on opening the lid of the box you can see there is another box of paper. Inside this box you can get the SIM ejection tool and some documentations. This is the SIM ejection tool. Next there is the smartphone itself, Realme GT Neo 3T. After this you can find the soft TPU case. The case looks very good. Then 80-watt super dart charger, as you can see. Next there is type A to type C cable. The cable quality is also very good. Now let's unwrap the Realme GT Neo 3T smartphone. This device looks very good. In the hand it gives a premium feeling. The build quality is decent. At the bottom you can see there is type C port, speaker grill, mouthpiece and SIM ejection tool. At the right there is power button. On the top there is a secondary noise cancellation mic. Towards the left you can find the volume rocker. Towards the back you can find 3 cameras, 64 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel macro sensor. At the front you can find 6.62 inches AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, E4 AMOLED display. So these are the box content that you will get with Realme GT Neo 3T smartphone. Let's boot the device. On opening the SIM tray you can find that there is no support for SD card. You can use only 2 nano SIMs. Realme GT Neo 3T comes with 6.62 inches AMOLED display with 1080p resolution, 120Hz refresh rate. It is a E4 AMOLED display. The display has good color reproduction, though sometimes it looks punchier. The display looks very good. You can see there is no pixelation as it is a 1080p display. There are lots of junkware in this smartphone and the chin also looks little bit thicker in my eyes. At the back you can see the back is made of plastics and the cameras are placed at good positions. The sides of this device are made of metal and there is a 16 megapixel selfie shooter placed at the left side of the top of the device, as you can see. I will talk about it later. This device comes with 120Hz refresh rate and you can definitely feel the refresh rate. The device looks very solid in the hand. As you can see, the back is rubberized and it gives you a good feel and there is no fingerprint scratches and the sides are made of metal. The buttons are tactile also. Now this is the typical camera layout of Realme. As you can see, all the typical camera modes are there. Let me give you a sample so that you can have an idea how the quality of this smartphone is. There are some other samples so that you can judge by yourself how is the camera quality. Coming to the display of Realme GT Neo 3T is very impressive. It supports HDR content in YouTube, but in YouTube I played some videos side by side with Poco F4 5G, but in that case the display looks impressive in Poco F4. The colors are more vibrant and bright in Poco F4 than Realme GT Neo 3T. You can have an idea by judging by yourself how is the speaker quality of this smartphone. So this is the quick unboxing of Realme GT Neo 3T. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please share this video and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections below. And if you want to see the full review or camera test of this smartphone, do comment in the comment sections. Thank you very much for watching.